I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Porsche Taycan. Getting ready to drive your Taycan is a straightforward process, thanks to its advanced keyless start system. First, make sure your vehicle is securely in park. Then, firmly press the brake pedal with your right foot. This is a crucial safety step before engaging the power. You're almost ready to experience the exhilarating performance of your electric sports car. Once your foot is on the brake, locate the start button, which is conveniently positioned to the left of the steering wheel. Give it a single, firm press. You'll immediately notice the vibrant digital instrument cluster come to life, displaying all essential driving information. A soft, almost imperceptible hum confirms that the high-voltage system is fully engaged and ready for action. The central infotainment screen will also activate, providing access to navigation and media. With the Taycan powered on, it's time to select your desired gear. The compact gear selector is intuitively placed on the dashboard just to the right of the steering wheel. Simply push it forward for drive or pull it back for reverse. If your parking brake was manually engaged, remember to release it. Now, gently press the accelerator pedal, and you'll experience the smooth, instant torque that only an electric Porsche can deliver. Enjoy the silent power. Before you embark on your journey, always ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened for your safety. Take a moment to check your mirrors and surroundings, confirming a clear path. The Taycan offers several driving modes, such as range, normal, sport, and sport plus, each providing a distinct driving experience. Experiment with these to find your preference. Remember, the Taycan delivers incredible acceleration and precise handling, making every drive truly exhilarating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.